In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp not logging connecting problem or WhatsApp not open problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, uninstall current version of WhatsApp Messenger app. Now open Google Chrome. Now search for WhatsApp old version APK. Then search it. Then click on Android APK's free link. Scroll down. Find out any older version. Tap on download. Download away. Now tap on details. Now tap on install. Now tap on open. Agree and continue. Allow. Enter your phone number. Next. Continue. Allow all permission. Now tap on continue. Now tap on next. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp not login connecting problem or WhatsApp not open problem.